Hey everyone, this is Wayne. Welcome back. Today I've got a universal cup and phone holder. Okay, I put this on this 1-inch pipe I've got handy just for demonstration purposes because my hunting stuff's put up, my boating stuff's put up, my lawnmowing stuff's put up, and that's what I'm going to use this for. Those three things could be used on a bike, I don't know, a stroller. Well, whatever you're going to need some hands-free action with. Now, I've got my coffee cup here. I don't think it's a little small for this wide end coffee cup. So, but that'll hold most of your hydration bottles, whether they're store-bought or something that you've got in the house that you refill. You simply turn this big thumb nut, nice and big, got a couple little fins on it to make it easy, and that's where you can get your adjustment. And I can go on a vertical post or horizontal post or anywhere in between as far as that goes. It's a really nice setup. I'm going to enjoy having it. If you're up in a tree, that's handy. That's real handy. So the phone kind of it's in there real solid. You don't have to try real hard, but you can tell there's some that's being kept in there by a spring. So anyway, universal cup and phone holder, and I think I like it a lot. You're going to too, I promise. Shouldn't say I promise, but it's a great item. So go ahead and get you some. I'm getting 2 more. Bye now.